He doesn't like it being this way. She tried so hard to steal away from the meeting place, but her heart, it led her into a strange situation.